Welcome to today's New Tech English. Today we are going to unbox the Vivo brand's Y17S mobile phone. This is a mobile phone box. Let's see what's inside the box. Open the box. First they have given mobile phone and IMEI stickers and company booklets and type A to Type C charging cable, SIM ejector pin and 15 watts charging adapter. Vivo Y17S. The display of this mobile phone 6.5 inches LCD display and 60 Hz refreshing rate and then 700 nits brightness. And this mobile phone selfie camera is 8 megapixel selfie camera. And you look at the back panel of this mobile phone made with plastic. And this mobile phone's camera 50 megapixel HD main camera and 2 megapixel bokeh camera and medium size flash is there. And mobile phone's right side mounted fingerprint sensor is there and volume button is there. Mobile phone's bottom side speaker grill, Type C charging port, mic and 3.5mm audio jack is there. And mobile phone's bottom side SIM tray there. Open the SIM tray. SIM tray supports dual nano SIMs and memory card. And this mobile phone's processor is MediaTek Helio G85 processor. This mobile phone have 5000 mAh battery with 15 watts charging support. And this mobile phone's operating system is FunTouch OS 13 based on Android 13. This mobile phone available in two color variants. One glitter purple, second one forest green. This color forest green. And this mobile phone's price 4GB 64GB storage variant price 9500 rupees and 4GB 128GB storage variant price 10500 rupees. Thank you.